YouTube. Massachusetts Prepper here with you again today. Today, I'm going to do a pocket dump for y'all. This is my EDC, or my everyday carry. And one of the first things you'll notice is every day I've pretty much got my paracord bracelet and my Fitbit fitness tracker. Yes, Massachusetts Preppers gotten a little big around the midsection, and we're trying to work at getting rid of a little bit of that. So what I'm going to do for y'all is start right off in my back pocket. What I carry every day is my Samsung Galaxy S5 phone. And I carry a small emergency trauma kit. Now also, I carry my Leatherman Surge, my multi-tool, and along with that in the pouch is a bit kit, the file blade attachment. I also have a little socket adapter or a nut driver and a disposable Bic lighter. That's all in the Leatherman Surge pouch. Okay, in my left front pocket I carry a small little Gerber multi-tool, the Gerber dime, and that's all I carry in my left pocket. Now in my watch pocket, or as some people call it, a change pocket, I carry the Leatherman Micra. Now, I will be doing a review on both of these in the near future for you. I carry the Micra because it has the scissors. The Gerber dime does have scissors, but they're not as good as the larger scissors on the Micra. Okay, in my front pocket I always have a little bit of cash, and I carry 2 keys. Now I don't carry these keys on my key ring because I use these a lot. Okay, and that's everything I carry in my front pocket except for my Kershaw piston. Really nice knife, and there's going to be a review coming on this knife real soon. So keep watching for the review on the Kershaw piston. Now in my back right pocket I carry a Maglite. This is the LX50. It's a nice little sturdy flashlight. And I carry my wallet, okay, with my ID, my concealed carry permit, and everything in my wallet. Now also I carry, today happens to be my Glock 19, and I carry that in a white hat holster in the waistband rig. And I will be doing a review on this holster. But that is everything that I carry on me every day. Now I know it looks like a lot when you're looking at it here, but really it's not. This is minimal compared to what I've seen some people carry. But anyway, this is my everyday carry, my EDC, Massachusetts Prepper. We're going to be doing pocket dumps from some of the other members of the family in the home and see what they carry as well. Okay, Josh, what's your EDC, your everyday carry? Show me. Put it on the table.
The Kershaw Cryo folding pocket knife.
Okay.
Wallet. But inside my wallet, I can find it. SOG keyblade. I'll fold these both open for you. The Leatherman Wingman multi-tool. Fitbit One fitness tracker. I don't usually carry this, the piece of paper.
Oh, piece of paper. Okay.
And
What's that?
a Band-Aid.
A Band-Aid. A used Band-Aid in your pocket. All right, and put it on the table. It's in your pocket. This is your everyday carry. Just a belt. Okay, you don't have to take that off.
And a holster.
The holster for your Leatherman.
Yes.
Okay. And is that it?
A minute.
Pocket lint? Yeah, we don't need to see pocket lint. Okay, so this is your everyday carry.
Yes.
Hey, it's Mrs. Massachusetts Prepper. It's time to do a pocket dump.
Yay.
Show me what your everyday carry is today.
Well, I got this nice Santa Claus brought me. What else I got? Got my other thing that Santa Claus brought me.
Oh, a nice multi-tool.
Leatherman.
Leatherman.
That's not it. In case anybody wants to get their eardrums broken. Some lip gloss, a little perfume. Another knife.
Another nice big knife.
Kids I work with laugh at me. What else you got? Oh. Bag with some handy dandy stuff. A little headlight in case the lights go out at work because we keep on cooking. No matter how hot it gets in there.
Suitcase pack.
Oh, safety on.
Well, I have my soda with me.
And what is that?
A Ruger LC9. Carry it. What else do you need?
Oh, it's just you carry a purse with a bunch of stuff in it.
Some money in case I...
Well, I see you carry quite a few weapons of mass destruction there. Do you carry any kind of a first aid kit in case you or someone else happen to become injured?
Well, if I didn't stick it in my car, I would.
So you do have a trauma kit in your car.
Yeah.
Okay. Everybody, that's Mrs. Massachusetts Prepper's everyday carry. Craig, guess what today is?
Christmas!
Oh
Well, not only is it Christmas, but it's pocket dump. Show me what your everyday carry is. Cell phone. Well, what's that?
well. Wallet.
What kind of wallet is that?
Military.
Military issue. Go ahead and pop the magazine out of that and eject the round. And what kind of handgun is that? As
Glock
if I had to ask.
27.
Some custom work done on that.
Yep.
What'd you have done to it?
Had it nice and colored up in a nice OD green. Threw a nice sight on there.
Slide was redone as well. Yeah, and what are those, the True Glows?
Yep.
Fiber optic sights on that? Who did that work on the gun?
Good old Pete's Gun Shop.
Pete's Gun Shop. Alright, we'll give a plug to Pete's Gun Shop there. And that's everything you carry? No car keys or anything like that? That's it. Alrighty. And that is Mr. Craig's everyday carry, everybody.